Hey guys, welcome back to the Flutter tutorial for beginners. This is a part 5 of the series, and in this video we are going to learn about center widget, container widget, and how to change the font size and style inside the text widget. Before getting into the today's topic, I just want to quickly change the color of the app bar and the button. So let us just try. Okay, I promise I won't waste too much time changing the color. I have a color in my mind. Let's see how it looks, and you can tell me in the comment which one was better. Now let us just reload the app. Flutter, what are you doing, my friend? Oh, okay, I accidentally backspaced the comma, and I guess better than the last one. So now let's just get back to the video. Now let us quickly change the font size of the string inside this text widget. So to do that, you will use the style parameter, and inside the style parameter you will pass on text style, and you will again use a parenthesis. Inside parenthesis you want to change this font size, right? So you have to type in font size, and for font size you can see it's a double, so we are going to pass on a double, which is I'm going to use 22.0. I hope the estimate is correct. Yeah, it's correct. Now let us make it bold. Now for bold, you want to use this font weight parameter, and inside this font weight, you are not just going to type in bold, you are going to use this class font weight, and font weight dot, you can select pretty much whatever this font weight has to offer you. I'm going to use bold, and now let us reload the app, and we can see that our font is bold. So in this way you can customize the string inside your text widget. Now let us quickly go over the center widget. As the name suggests, center widget basically aligns itself to the center of the parent widget. Now let us consider two examples. One is this center widget inside the body of this scaffold. So as you can see, this center has nicely aligned itself in the center of this scaffold body. Now let us consider another example that we want this welcome to be in the center of the app bar. Now what we can do, basically this title is containing this text, okay? So now we can do this. We can call a center inside the title, and this center will contain this text, okay? Now let us just reload the app, and we can see that this welcome has aligned itself to the center of the app bar. So basically this center is aligning itself to the parent widget, which is app bar. Now let us discuss about container. Before moving to the container, you will notice that I have made some changes to the text widget. Well, actually I haven't made any change. Before it was all in single line, which made it difficult to read. So I just separated it into different line to make it more readable. Now let us move on. So the basic difference between container and center is that the center does not align itself with the center of the parent widget. Now as you can see, it does not align itself to the center. So now instead of aligning to the center, it has more customizability option. For example, we can have padding. Padding is of type edge insets geometry. So we have to use the class for edge insets. Now let us add all. And so basically this all means that we will have padding from all the sides. And we can also have color for our container. Now let us call this colors dot deep purple accent, same color as our app. Now let us reload the app. Now you will see that we got the padding, and we also have the background color as deep purple accent. But text color looks a bit odd in there, so let us change the color for our text. Colors dot let us have white color over there, and let us reload the app again. Now, yeah, it looks kind of good, but it looked better when it was in center, right? So now what we can do, we can actually wrap this container inside a center, okay? Now for now, I don't know why this Flutter plugin is glitching out, so I will do it manually, but you can actually just use this plugin. Basically the widget you want to wrap, right click on it, and you can see bunch of options: wrap inside container, wrap inside column, etc. So you can use that, but for me it's glitching, so I will do it manually. Now where's that container? Here is that. Now let us have one intent. Okay, let has center, child, excuse me please, thank you, perfect. Now you will see that it's in the center again. Now to add it to the more custom, like we can even customize it even further, we can have a decoration. Now inside decoration, we can pass on box decoration. Now there's one problem. When you are using box decoration, you are not allowed to use container color. So what we can do, we can have this container from, we can cut that container from there, we can, I mean color, and then we can add the color over here. Now you can have a shape, nah, not shape, but border radius. And border radius, you can have border radius dot circular, and let us say we want 12. Now let us reload again, and you will see that it has now smooth edges, smooth corners. My bad there. Now this box looks kind of small, right? We can have a customized height also. Let us say 100, width again 100. Now let us again reload the app. Yeah, it's okay, but let us just have few more points. 150, 150. It should be enough. Yeah, good enough for me. Now you will notice that this hello is not aligned to the center of this container. So now what we can do, if you guessed to wrap this text hello inside another center, that's a correct answer for this video. Now let us wrap center over here. I don't want to close it over here. Just a second, guys. Okay, I'm not sure if oh yeah, okay, yeah, I forgot to write child over there. Yeah, perfect. And as you can see, this hello is in the center now. So now our app is looking kind of like that counter app. Now what we can do inside this build function, we can have an integer counter, right? And we can give it a value of 0. Now inside here, you can pass counter. But now you will see that Visual Studio is not very good with happy with this, because the argument of type int can't be assigned to the parameter of type string. So the basic rule of text widget is that you can only pass string over here. So we can actually do this to string. And now let us, okay, we can have even bigger font now. Oh, 42 will be too big, I guess. 36. Yeah, good enough. We will have another text on it. So yeah, for now it's good. Now if you will see, if we, even if we click on the this whatever we say, yeah, floating button, you will see that our counter is not getting updated, because for floating button we did not told what this button should do. So this button should increment the counter, right? Now let us again reload the app and click on, and you will see that it's not working. Can you guys guess why it's not working? Any way can you guys think of how we can debug it? Well, you can do print inside the onPressed function, and you can print the counter value. Okay, let's see if this button is working or not. Okay, you can see in the console that it's getting updated, but why it is not working here? It might frustrate you, but actually the answer to that question is that because we are using a stateless widget. So what does this stateless widget do? and what is the stateful widget I'm going to discuss in the next video. So this is it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button, and if you're new here, then consider subscribing. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, goodbye.